Hi, I'm PG with MarineMax of Houston, here again with a beautiful Sea Ray to show you. This is a 2019 21 SPX outboard. As a lot of people know, the outboards are awesome in the saltwater markets, but they're also great in freshwater because you don't have to winterize them. This one's got a 200 horse Merc on the back. You'll notice we've got a ski tow pylon here, but this boat's complete with the water sports tower, so we have the upper station as well. Check out this nice sunning lounger that actually reclines. And when you go with the outboard, what used to be an inboard engine is all storage on this model. So it's got a lot of extra storage. Come on board and I'll show you some of the rest of it. Got a built-in cooler right here on the back seat. Also doubles as dry storage, but we also have an awesome little cubby for a removable cooler. More storage here. We've got swivel seats with bolsters. Nice storage compartment here. Ton of storage in the console. And under our infinity flooring, which snaps in, is a huge locker for your water sports toys. Notice the integrated digital dash with a nice eyebrow to keep the glare off the windshield and the sun off your gauges. Got the digital GPS right in the dash, flush mounted, nice, beautiful fit. The bow of this boat's got a lot of space in it. You'll notice we've got the handles down lower. A lot of the kids like to ride in the bow of the boat. They've got the handles down lower where they're a lot safer. Plenty of drink holders throughout. More storage under these seats. Nice bimini top. And there's something that we don't show you. It comes with all the safety gear and a really nice custom fitted boat cover. And this one's on a galvanized trailer, so it's ready for the saltwater or the freshwater. Come see me, PG at MarineMax of Houston. Be glad to show you this Sea Ray and many others.